going to be showing you how to make an egg and cheese sandwich. The ingredients you need is 2 eggs, but that's only for if you're serving for 2. But for one, if you want to make it for yourself, you only need 1 egg. Then you need cheese. Then you need bread, and then you need canola oil. Those are all the things you need to cook an egg and cheese sandwich. And you need a non-stick pan or like a frying pan, and something like this. So first, you have to, in your non-stick pan, you have to crack 1 egg. So you bang it, and then you crack it open. And if you want, you could break it with you can break the yolk with your shell. Wait for it. While you're doing that, add the bread. So I'm serving for 2, so I'm gonna put both breads. And to make the egg not like stick really much, you can use canola oil. But because this is a non-stick pan, I'm not using the canola oil. You gotta wait at least 2 minutes. But because this is heated up for a long time, I think I need to flip it now. And if it just goes off like that, just fix it with your hand. Just like pat it all around. You want this to get really toasty. Now you flip this one. I mean, don't flip it now. Flip this bread. See, it's now really toasty. Now you gotta wait. Now off this, so then the heat that's already inside it will cook with it. Just pat the egg now. When it's done, it'll go like this. If you want it more hot, then so add it to your sandwich and get your cheese and add as much as you want, but just don't put too much, or else then it'll overflow. Spread it out. For example, I only want this much, so and then take this bread and close it. But if you want it to be more and toasted fully, then just pat it like that. And now just off this. Because I don't want that to burn. Wait, and that's how you make an egg and cheese sandwich, and you basically restart this process again to make 2. Thank you for watching.